We are back with the Nekocakes from Moondrop, a budget-friendly pair of true wireless earbuds. I love that more and more companies now are giving us budget-friendly options, right? A lot of competition down here. These are 43 bucks. What do we get? You saw the quick unboxing. Let's take a look and see what we get inside of the box. Of course, the paperwork, the user's manual, throw that away. And we get some extra silicone tips as well as the cable, USB-C to USB-A. And the packaging, waifu in the house. I love their style. I love how Moondrop rolls with their packaging. Nekocake, very clean, very nice. I like the simple line drawn art here on the front, very clean. Nekocake on the side. On the back, we do get some specs. We're gonna put this down. Take a look now. These are STEM style earbuds. You can see the one LED light here on the front. We do have a logo on the bottom, some text on the bottom as well. Your port to charge. On the back, we do have our button. This will pair us or reset it, whatever you want. And then the Nekocake up top. Look how clean that looks up top. I love the design on there, very clean. And the color, it's like a brown accent against the matte white finish. And again, STEM style earbuds. So I already know a lot of you do not roll with STEM style earbuds. But if you follow the channel, you guys know I don't mind them at all. And you can see how cool these look. And if you guys are not subscribed, hit that like button and a sub would be appreciated. But look at these stems. That's squared off stem on here with the branding and the logo here on the matte white finish. Very clean. I don't mind how these look at all. Remember, these are cheap, guys. $43, and I'll drop the link below. Now, the rest of the specs on here, it does come with an app. So these do have the Moondrop Link app available on iOS devices as well as Android devices, Bluetooth 5.0, codecs SBC, and AAC. And these do have active noise cancellation. And I'll walk you through the app as well so you can get an idea of what the app gives us. Again, budget friendly. So we're getting what we pay for here with app support, but we do have an app. So that's a good thing. Now, battery life on these earbuds, 4 hours and about 12 total with the case. Now let's throw these in and we'll check out how they look. Again, I know a lot of you don't like STEM style earbuds. I say it all the time. I don't mind them. Usually we get good mics. We'll see how the mics are on here. I'll do a mic test so you guys can hear. But that matte white finish, it makes a big difference for me. That glossy white stands out a little more, even on a STEM style pair that is long like these. I don't mind them, especially with the matte finish, but very comfortable, very lightweight. And I love once you connect these with Bluetooth, there is a voice prompt with an actress and it just has that anime feel to it, which I'm a big fan of. Now let's take a look. We're gonna jump in and we're gonna look. Let's just check out the app real quick. Now connect the Bluetooth first, then open up the app. Again, Moondrop Link is the app and it will let you select which pair of earbuds you are using. The Nekocake up here, and there's not much you can do in the app, but I do want to show you what we have. So custom touch, you can come in here and change some of your touch controls, and out of the box you can see we have the last song is double tap on the left, and on the right earbud it goes to the next track, and then play and pause is your single click, and you can open up your voice assistant, turn off your voice assistant, or you can enable ANC if you just touch and hold for a few seconds on either earbud. So that's basically it. No volume control on here, which is a little disappointing, but we do have some customizable touch controls. 43 bucks, I'm not gonna complain too much. Now, tuning config, if you click on that, there is no slider in here to adjust for your EQ, but you do have some presets, and I'll talk about the presets once we talk about how these sound. But we do have that option in here for a few different presets. And if we go back out of here, that's basically it. Your product description is going to load it up, and it's just going to tell you a little bit about the Nekocake. But overall, that's basically it for the app. You can go and learn about them here. You have a version for your software. But that's basically it inside of the app. Let's talk about active noise cancellation on these earbuds. Again, 2 seconds. Either earbud. You can enable it and then disable it. You do get that fantastic voice prompt on there to go into ANC, and it's entry level. That's what it is. We're getting what we pay for here with ANC, but it's nice to see a $43 pair of earbuds with some type of ANC because it does make a slight difference in drowning out some of those low rumble sounds. It's not going to do anything with voices or any of the higher pitched sounds, but those low rumbles, it will take a little bit out. It's not going to compete with anything around 70, 80 or $100, but you know, it's 43 bucks and we're getting what we pay for here, but it does take out some of those low rumbles. So I'm cool with that at this price point. Now, no transparency mode on here, but let's check out the microphones and we'll do a mic test.
All right, guys, we got a $43 pair of earbuds from Moondrop. What do you think of the microphones on here? I love the competition we are getting at every price point, entry level, budget friendly, and even above and beyond that. Really good competition. It's making better products for all of us, even at this low of price, 43 bucks. Let me know what you think of the call quality on these earbuds. All right, guys, now we got some crowd noise playing. This will give you an idea of what a phone call would sound like in a crowded room, a noisy environment. But let me know. Drop some comments.
All right, guys. Now, when it comes to latency on the Moondrops, you know, watching content, you're going to be fine. Gaming on these heavier games, you are going to notice a slight delay between audio and video. So just be aware of that going in. You just want to watch content, you know, 43 bucks are not really gaming earbuds, and you will notice that delay between audio and video while trying to game, like playing Call of Duty or something. But just watching content, YouTube videos, Netflix, you're going to be fine. And it's, you know, these sound good, so you're going to like it. Now, speaking of sound on these earbuds, out of the box, these things sound really good, balanced, very clean high, some good bass. Nothing is muddy. These things just sound really good. They're very clean. It's a very clean and smooth sound. I really, really like it. Playing R&B on here or something like that where you just want to lounge and chill with a little smooth beat. These things sound really good. For the price point, fantastic. 43 bucks for earbuds that sound like this. Really good. Volume-wise, not an issue either. The volume on here, you guys know I like loud music. These deliver. I can dial it back a little bit, right around 80%, and I'm good to go on these earbuds. So sound quality, very impressed with how these sound at this price point. Now, the no EQ again, but inside of the app, we do have some presets. Overall, there's not much of a difference for me with these presets. You know, Moondrop Classic, Dynamic. Sometimes the volume changes a little bit on some of them, but the balanced one right out of the box is probably my favorite. You know, again, not much of a difference going between the two. I wish we had an EQ, but honestly, I don't even think you need these. Just straight up out of the box, turn it on. You're going to enjoy it, but maybe you'll like some of the other ones on there. You know, we all like something a little bit different when it comes to our music. But overall, look, the Nekocakes, if you can get past the stem style, which you guys know I don't mind at all. I like them a lot, to be honest with you. The microphones, let me know what you think of the call quality. But just straight up sound quality for 43 bucks on these earbuds. You know how Moondrop brings it with their sound quality, and this is no different. Even though they are budget friendly and cheap earbuds, Moondrop is still bringing it with the sound. And overall, I like them. I like them a lot. So the Nekocakes, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the look, that matte white finish, that clean look. Two of my favorite things on here, the sound quality, and of course, the voice prompts are super dope. And the ANC, you know, the ANC is not the best, think entry level, but it does work and take out some of the low rumbles. So overall, are they worth the price? Absolutely. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. And I'll be back soon, guys. Peace.